Hello everyone, this is my review of the Cheetos Snacks Variety Pack. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of them in here, enough to last you for a while. You got a lot of Cheetos goodness in here, but let's go through them. We got the Cheetos Puffs, and we have the Jalapeno Cheddar Cheetos, and we have the original Crunchy Cheetos. I like these the best. And next, if I can find them, down in the bottom here, there they are. We have the Flamin Hot Cheetos. These are my niece's favorites. But yeah, you have a bunch of snacks in here and should last you for a good while to get all your crunchy goodness going. I hope this review helps.